Molly girl's man's coming today to meet my parents. Okay, so Mum's got to catch me up on all the goss of the meeting today. Catch me up, sis. Catch me up. Okay, guys. So, hi, SV Squad. Welcome back to another video. So, I'm here at my parents'... Seriously, I'm here at my parents' because I came to pick up my sister because we're going for a walk around the lake. And Molly's going somewhere. I wanted to show you Molly girl.
No, you're not. Have you brushed your teeth? No. See, you know you're not ready.
Yeah, you can come.
He's not ready.
Go and brush your teeth. Yeah, brush your teeth because I don't want no stinky breath in this car.
And put on your jumper, you little...
Where's Molly?
She's going to meet with the girls.
Where's the girls? Why?
Why not?
Anyways.
Oh, Vicky, I was watching your vlog and you go...
Anyways, I wanted to show Molly, but she's disappeared.
What? Did you see Molly girl?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I want to be like, Molly's man's coming to meet my parents today.
So annoyed with you.
Molly girl's man's coming today to meet my parents. Anyways, so we're going for our walk today. We're going
want it to be done by 9.
Yeah, but you know what? Some haps happened.
What happened?
So we're about to go now. But we've been sitting here for 30 minutes waiting. First we were waiting for Darnell to go in and get ready. And then we're waiting for my mum because she wants to come. And now we're waiting for Eben because Eben doesn't want to stay.
Yippee.
Eben, tell them about your hat.
Zoom hat.
Yeah, zoo hat.
Portugal City.
Gimme.
Soso, don't be so rude, okay?
No, don't rip it.
Oh, you can't even see because of this bar. Hold on, let me see if I can put it down.
Auntie Daddy, guess what?
What, Uncle Batty?
I'm gonna get all these traits when I get older than Zaya.
Oh, cool. Alright, so we'll see you guys later. Up it goes again.
Mum, ngayon lo kalaba Evan. What's the camera?
Turn it off. Do you know how to turn it off?
Yeah.
No, there's 2 things there, so there should be another buckle there. Is there a smaller one?
2 hours later.
Mascara. Does it look like it's done? No, how would you catch up with the girls?
Yeah, it's good.
Molly.
It doesn't look like it's good.
Molly's man's coming to meet the parents today.
You shut up.
Ooh!
Got a girl on fleek.
Get a girl on fleek. Boom, boom, boom. And a girl on fleek. Do, do, do. Okay, so... Oh my gosh, I didn't pick up the camera since we got back.
Oh, yeah,
but we got back after an hour. It's like a 5K walk. And it took us about an hour. And we're going...
He's like, why is everyone here? Well, that's right. Everyone go home.
Yeah. Well, I'm going home. I want to go and eat.
Let's go.
Molly man, Molly man, Molly man. So we're here at the cafe now. The cafe that we always come to. Our favorite cafe. And, Molly's got some bacon. Yes.
That's them side of you.
Something. How was your jog today?
Not hard.
Oh, what up? He goes, not that hard. Oh, there's Dad. Nice jacket, Daddy. Look at Dad's jacket. He looks so cool.
Yeah, where did you get it from?
Those camping shops. Oh, that's a nice jacket, Mom. Oh, yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, these two be shopping spree all the time. Evan, look.
50%.
Say hi to everyone. Show them your zoo hat.
All the same thing, Mum.
He said, help me, Evan. Help me, Evan. Okay. So, why do I look like this? I haven't really done my hair, but whatever. So I got home a while ago, and my parents are having the meeting. And Aussie boy, oh, Aussie looking so drippy and sexy.
What's up, guys? Yeah, I just finished gym today. So yeah, and get ready for the day. That's why I'm ready.
Yeah, you look so nice, honey.
Thank you. And now she have a breakfast this morning and I didn't have it, you know.
Yep, I went with my parentals.
Yeah, she going with her parents and her sisters, have a breakfast at a cafe and forgot about me. So yeah, now I'm hungry because I didn't have a breakfast. Just finished gym and I'm going to...
So I'm just going to quickly do my hair because I'm not feeling it, but...
I'm going to get some chicken from me, guys, you know. That restaurant, I'm going to go get a chicken from there.
So, look at my hair. I washed my hair the other night and now it looks so weird. I don't know what we're doing today. It's a Saturday. I'm like loving the gym at the moment. I wouldn't say addicted because I still struggle to like make it there. But I'm like really happy with myself when I go to and do a gym session. And I feel like doing another one today, even though I walked around the lake. I might do like a kukua dance class on YouTube later today. Yeah, I know that I didn't post it on this channel, but I just want to thank everyone who reached out to me after watching the video that I posted on my personal one. I have had like so many, like hundreds of, not hundreds, maybe just over 100 DMs and messages from people who have either gone through this journey and are now, you know, on the other side, and majority of women who are going through the same thing. They're on the same journey with me or with us, and it's so encouraging. I feel like a big weight has just been lifted off my shoulders sharing that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then go and watch the video. But yeah, I just feel very light after sharing that and seeing everyone's support and love. I'm just so grateful. So thank you so much to everyone. I send love and my prayers to all you women who are experiencing it, and thank you to everyone who has commented and taken their time to share their journey as well. And I'm just so grateful to have such a awesome, supportive community fan base. It means so much to me. I feel good because I feel like I don't need to, I feel like I can just be transparent on this journey and just be real with you guys, bring you guys along and show you everything. So we just got back. I want to show them. We just got back from, well, you can see the bag. And Aussie, I've got Aussie onto the bubble tea now. Aussie loves bubble tea now. He never used to.
Not a bubble tea.
It is a bubble tea.
Milkshake.
He likes the milkshake one.
Yeah, I don't like tea.
So I got these quilt covers. I'm starting to really take care of our bedroom. Make it look nice, you know. And then I got this throw. This quality is just amazing. It is a Shayna Blaze. Hold on. It's a Shayna Blaze, and this throw is so nice. So they have 40% off.
To warm your ass.
And this throw was more than the actual quilt set. So anyways, that was my show and tell for today.
Yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Yeah, and we're off now, guys. See you guys very soon.
So we're gonna end off our vlog now. We're just here at my parents' house, and Aussie's gonna do comment of the day because he never does comment of the day.
So yeah,
and look at my throat. Oh, it's so cuddly.
so ugly. You picked it and then you say it.
Yeah.
I picked myself.
No, because you have to go like this. You're just going like this. It's on the same thing. Or see, like this. And then stop. So go up, go down, go up, and down, and up.
The comment of the day,
I'm pretty sure this person has had comment of the day before.
Yeah, it doesn't matter because I picked myself. So yeah, peace out more. SV squad, love the tire Aussie. I will put bigger tires on though, look kinda small and with some chrome black because your truck is blue. Look better than all black but still cool. 2,500 in Cali.
And then you have to do those emojis.
He and he. Thanks for commenting and yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, I get to pick one. It's not just about you.
It's about you.
Okay, so I pick Samoan kid. Love the uso. Started. I guess that means started. Hold on, my mummy's. Sorry, mum. Decline. Started from the bottom. Now we blessed. Both of yous, much love, Jonah, Naomi, and the kids. Ah, so very rude. We're right in front of your house, Sos. Let's go get it. He's sick of driving. He's tired of driving.
Yeah, it's too much driving.
Yeah, it's tired to drive. Guys, comment down below and let us know if you want Aussie's car because we just got new tires, we just got everything, and now he's sick of driving it.
Because she never drive.
Yeah, because this is not my car.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
If I'm tired, you should drive.
I'm tired too. I walked
That's
5Ks today.
5K is more. Just 2 walk, that's it.
To walk. Anyways, guys, this guy's driving me insane.
You know, me, I run 10,000 K.
Anyways.
So yeah, we're going to get the thing and we come back. Because she never wants to drive. I drive all day today.
Bye, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and whatever.
Share some
and
love.
whatever. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, we should do a mukbang tomorrow.
Mukbang tomorrow.
Seafood one.
Seafood one.
Do you want to?
Do you want more?
Whoa, shukaya.
Whoa, come on.
Siaosi!
So say.
Bye, guys.
Like and share and smell.
Look how pretty I am. Look how pretty your girl is. Look how pretty your girl is. Body pump, class paying
Can you
off.
go and go watch the rugby? Or like a beer or so? Living New Zealand.
Change of plans. Aussie wants to stay. Big fatty bum. I'm gonna see if my mom can drive because I just don't like driving. I just love to be the passenger. Aussie's gone so big. He just goes to the gym every day. I'm so pleased with this throw. It is so nice. Look at it. I want you to drive. So. No, I don't want to drive. So, you better. Come on, Mom, you can do it. She really won't drive. Look at my new throw I got from Harris Scarf. Look, guys, I ended up getting the same shoes as my parents. You know the New Balance ones that I showed you guys a couple. Look, it's so nice. Yeah, and I saw Molly there. Look, there's Aussie's babies. Okay, so Mum's got to catch me up on all the goss of the meeting today.
Shut up.
Catch me up, sis. Catch me up.